Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to share your image on chat on Telegram into your Telegram story. So what you have to do, you just open your image. For instance, I have this saved message which is chat with myself, and then here the photo that I want to send it into my Telegram status. So what you have to do, you just press on this triple dot on the upper, and then click save to gallery, and then go back to your Telegram on the main page, and then you can click this photo icon. Wait, you can click this photo icon, and then you can click this one, and then you can see this is my photo that I already saved to gallery. And then I can click I can add the caption. I already copy the caption, I just paste it, and then click done, and then click next, and then I can choose everyone or my contact or anything, and then click post story. That's it, very simple. This very simple tutorial, I hope it's helpful for you. If it does, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching guys, see you on the next video. Bye bye.